Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you a very advanced method to enable dark mode in your Mspaint. So keep watching. In this video you will learn very new thing. So friend, here we want to enable dark mode in Mspaint. So what you will do, simply open your Paint application which is default in Microsoft Windows. So friend, here you can see this is my Windows Mspaint, and here we want to do this page as a dark mode. So what we will do, we are going to click on this gear icon which is available on the right top. So friend, here you can see this is the gear icon which is available on the top, and then what you will do, simply click on that gear icon. So now you can see this app theme option is showing over here. So simply you will find out this dark mode option. Now this is selected with the light mode, but here you can simply click on this dark mode. So what happened, your Mspaint will convert it into dark mode. So friend, you can see that my Mspaint is converted now as a dark mode. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily enable dark mode in Mspaint. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button, share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, and if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.